press bell button for video alerts.
Conversation between two old friends.
Hello, it's been a long time since I have seen you.
Yes, it has been a long time.
How long has it been since we last saw each other?
I think that we last saw each other 2 years ago.
What have you been doing for the past 2 years?
I am working on my doctorate at USC.
What subject did you decide to study?
I am studying international communications.
You should easily be able to find a job with that major.
I hope that when I finish I will find good work.